guys, it's Discount Diva here, and I wanted to share with you guys a quick little appetizer snack Dollar Tree haul. I had found these little pot stickers. I don't know if you guys are aware, but I've been using the air fryer a lot, and these little pot stickers are so delicious. These are the chicken and vegetable pot stickers. So we've been throwing these in the air fryer with a little bit of duck sauce. Nice little snack. So I picked up 4 bags. So you just pop them in the air fryer. We do about like 8 minutes. These are so scrumptious, and the girls love these. So this is a quick little snack if you just want something quick and you just want to throw it in the air fryer. They had the pork, but I don't know about the pork, so I just opted for the chicken and vegetable ones. And this is by Fortune Avenue Chinese style. They're considered Chinese style ravioli pot stickers. So these 4 bags. Okay. And like my mama shirt, you can see it. Then I wanted to try these snaps. Every time I pass by the frozen section, I always want to sample these out. So since I'm air fry crazy right now, I want to try these out, see if the girls would like these. The mozzarella sticks. I don't know if it says how many come in it in the pack. It just says it's 5 ounces. Oh, for the air fryer, you put it at 360 for 3 minutes. Not bad. With a little bit of marinara sauce. It doesn't say how many come. I almost want to open it. You know what? I want to open it up, see how many. Just because I want to know. So let's see. So I want to know how many come. Oh. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 6 for $1. That's not bad. So that's a nice little snack. And then I want the girls to try these out. These are the mac and cheese bites. So I'm also thinking, does 6 come in also? Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Does it give you the instructions for the air fryer too? Yes, 2.5 minutes, 350. Okay, so you get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get 9 little mac and cheese bites. So that's not bad. I'm gonna sample these out and I'll give you guys a follow-up on how they were. I definitely have tried the pot stickers. So, and I picked these up also. I'm gonna put these in the air fryer too. Why not? The corn dogs. So you get 2 corn dogs in 1 pack. So I bought 2 packs. That's what I got. And then at the register, I was checking out and I saw this looked quite interesting. My husband loves peanut butter, so I picked up these Muddy Buddies peanut butter and chocolate by Chex Mix for a little snack. And that was it. And a package of cups. That's what I picked up. That was it. So comment below and let me know if you guys have tried these appetizers. I figured, let me just sample these out, throw them in the air fryer, see how they taste. And yeah, definitely those pot stickers are so yummy. We've had them with a little bit of duck sauce and delicious. So thanks for watching my Dollar Tree haul of little quick Dollar Tree appetizer snacks that you could just throw together for $1. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Till next time, Discount Diva.